Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the essentials, your OS version and whether your PC already has Bluetooth hardware. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel and look for Bluetooth toggle. Enable it if present. If no toggle exists, plug in a USB Bluetooth adapter, choose Bluetooth 4.0 or newer for range and battery benefits. Next, make sure to install any manufacturer drivers included on a USB stick or downloaded file. This step registers the hardware, so the OS can discover devices. You now install and verify drivers. Run the adapter installer or open Device Manager and update the Bluetooth driver. Once installed, expand the Bluetooth node and confirm the adapter appears without warning icons. If you see a yellow exclamation, right-click and select Update Driver or uninstall, then reinstall. After that, put your headset, keyboard, or mouse into pairing mode. Follow the device-specific sequence. Make sure to use settings Bluetooth Add Device to start pairing. You will see a PIN or confirmation prompt. Finish by confirming the connection and testing functionality. Play audio, type, or send a file to verify the link. Once paired, make sure to set Bluetooth as the default audio output in sound settings if using headphones. If the device disconnects or fails to pair, try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, restart your PC, or remove and repair the device. If problems persist, reinstall the driver or test a different USB adapter. Hardware faults are often the last culprit to rule out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.